Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can quote someone like a team member or co-editor inside your issues on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so you will need to access the issue you would like to use for that inside your repository. Let me go with that issue here. And after that, navigate or scroll down to the comment box, click into it. And here there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Option number one, you simply use the add button. And after that, use the username as a suggestion below to quote the given user. Or alternately, that's because only mentioning, you may also use the quote button inside your comment box. That's this button here, quote. And after that, simply copy and paste the quote of the given user, like, I don't know, here. And don't forget to post your comment, and that is going to be posted as a quotation, as you can see with that vertical bar here. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.